So we're making some progress today. This is the end of the day. We got these barrel lids to cover up to give us a little protection from the thunderstorm that's coming in. But we have our rocket heater J tubes for cooking. There will be a big ceramic, it's called a Comal. There will be a big ceramic tortilla cooker on there when we're done, instead of this metal. The metal is going to keep our ceramic wool from getting wet, and then will be a form for pouring our cob around, so that the heat will come up evenly on the bottom side of our tortilla cooker. And then we'll have a chimney over here somewhere. We'll work this out to get the exhaust out of there and smoke if there's any out of people's faces. And today we lit a big fire, you saw, on top of this. Dried it up, locked it up pretty nicely. Now I got a tarp over it to keep this rain from getting it all wet again. And tomorrow, if it's clear, we'll come back and put an oven on that bad boy and finish up our Comal over there. Good fun. Thank you, Scott. Thank you, Heather.